There's an empty space where the Uno once lived, because apparently they're renovating this place within the next 2 days, but it seems to be pretty full again, and this old Audi's back. So, we'll be back, but the Uno's out now. Get it on the back of there, and let's get out of here. Original tailgate back on, as you can see. It's not bolted in, it's just resting. I want that Mk2 to look as original as possible. It is going to look identical. I don't care, it is. I can weld anything. So, you know, something needs fabricating and it's getting done. And today we're going to do the hinges on the top there, because they're different than on the Mk2. This has been put back on. That hinge has one bolt as opposed to having two. But what it is that hole is in the correct position. It just needs another hole drilling from what it looks like. So we'll get on with that now. I'm the one and only dominator. 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 Had to have a quick break from filming. Just had to come to the hospital with my elderly knee. Boss had quite a bad fall, and she shouted me whilst I was in the drive, so we're at A&E. But I'm heading back now to carry on with the video for you guys, and hopefully she's fine, and I'll be back here to pick her up in a bit. On my eye. Just need to get some primer on there. I have actually got this car paint mixed up already. What I had for a previous car. It's in the correct colour. This camera's atrocious, man, jumping all over. Sorry about the camera, guys. I'm gonna get a new phone. Guys, while we're on this today, all this is getting changed regardless. They're square on the Mk2, the holes. But we're going to change the red seat belts in the back today. If we get time, we might do the front. But I don't want to be undoing things that I need to undo again, because I am. The wiring loom, everything is coming out, even though it's the same, it's being changed. Damage. Fuck it. Crack. Piece of shit. Crack. Piece of shit. But at least you know it's the real deal.